In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a knowledge base in Confluence. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Confluence site and that you have permission to create spaces. Once you're in, look at the main navigation on the left side of your screen. There, you'll see an option called Spaces. This is where all the different areas of content in Confluence live, such as team spaces, project spaces, and of course, knowledge bases. Go ahead and click on Spaces. This will open a page showing the spaces you have access to, along with options to browse or create new ones. On the Spaces page, look for a button or link that says Create a Space. Depending on your Confluence layout, this might be in the top right corner or along the left panel. Click Create a Space. This is the starting point for setting up a dedicated area for your knowledge base articles. Think of a space as the container that will hold all your how-to guides, FAQs, and help documents. After you click to create a space, Confluence will present you with different space templates or types you can choose from. Here, you want to select Knowledge Base. Choosing the Knowledge Base option helps you start with a structure designed specifically for support articles and documentation. It usually comes with page templates, labels, and a layout that makes it easy for people to search and find answers quickly. Click on Knowledge Base to continue. Once you've selected the knowledge base space type, Confluence will guide you through some on-screen prompts. These prompts will typically ask you to enter a space name, a space key, and sometimes choose who can view or edit the content. Take a moment to choose a clear, descriptive name, like Product Support Knowledge Base or Internal Help Center, so your teammates immediately understand what this space is for. The space key is often generated automatically, but you can adjust it if needed to keep it short and recognizable. You may also see options to connect your knowledge base with a service desk or help portal if you're using other Atlassian tools. Follow each prompt carefully, review your permission settings, then confirm to create the space. Once the setup is finished, you'll be dropped into your new knowledge base space, ready to start adding pages, organizing topics, and building out your